What if I told you that one of Germany's legendary optic brands just teamed up with the Samyang? Yep, meet na Schneider Kreuznach x LK Samyang AF24-60mm F2.8 FE. A lens collaboration no one saw coming. Right off the box, you can tell it's something different. The design looks premium, clean, matte black finish, subtle branding. It's not your typical Samyang. It feels solid but not too heavy. It stays around the same weight as 24-70 f4 but with a constant f2.8 aperture. Nice balance for gimbals like DJI RS4 Mini. It's made for Sony full-frame E-mount. The construction feels very refined, almost Zeiss-like, which makes sense since Schneider Kreuznach is known for high-end cinema and industrial optics. Focus and zoom rings are smooth, and the autofocus, silent and fast. It's clear Samyang handled AF motor design while Schneider took care for the optics. At f2.8, the sharpness at 24mm is surprisingly good. Center sharpness pops, and even the corners hold as well. By 60mm background separation is smooth and natural, perfect for portraits or taking head videos. I noticed that the color tone leans slightly warmer than Sony G lenses, giving a cinematic feel, especially for skin tones. For video creators, this is where it shines. The internal focusing and near-par focal behavior make it perfect for run-and-gun vlogging, product reviews, and even short films. And paired with the Sony A7 IV or A7C Mark II, autofocus is buttery smooth, with zero breath-in. I can totally see that's being a new favorite for hybrid shooters. For the price and availability, now I spotted this lens at AABWORLD during their events, and honestly, this might just be one of the best mid-range zoom coming to the market soon. Pricing isn't final yet, but expected it to compete directly with the Tamron 28-75 and the Samyang 35-150 range. So, what do you think? Is this Schneider X Samyang 24-60mm f2.8 FE the surprise collab of 2025? For me, it's the perfect all-around travel portrait video, and with that constant f2.8, it's ready for anything. If you are a Sony shooter looking for something unique, this could be your next favorite lens. Before we wrap up, quick shout out to my friends at Puncube for the Mech wallet, for the LensGo Smoke Go fog machine, and the K&F Concept for my tripod. You guys make every shoot smoother. If you enjoyed this first look, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Would you try Schneider Samyang collab lens? I'm RPHY SAMSTILL. See you in the next one. If you like our background music, check the audio. These platforms offer tons of background music and sound effects, perfect for your video. If you are a content creator or filmmakers, check the audio. They have these two cool AI, the Link Match and the Hans AI. Easy to use, and you will get the best music that's perfect for your content. If you want to avail the 70% off, please check the link on the description on this video and use my promo code to avail the 70% off on Audio Pro for 1 year. And if you are searching for a film emulation, check this Dehancer. They have a film emulation set that brings your photo and video film look and nostalgic effects. Hello, future waving. Time to turn the pages. Tell me what you're waiting for. New beginning. Hello, open window. Shining through to my soul. I couldn't